If no one will approve you for credit, there are four moves that you need to understand before you keep applying and constantly getting denied. Because more applications is not going to fix a weak credit profile, they can actually make the problem worse. Hello, and my name is Calvin Russell. I am a nationwide credit strategist, and I help people increase their credit scores, lower their car payments, and qualify for homeownership anywhere nationwide. Today, we're talking about how to build your credit when no one will approve you. Step number one, stop applying without a strategy. The very first thing that you need to do is you need to understand that getting denied over and over is not a credit building strategy. Every application can add another inquiry to your credit report. So that means too many inquiries can make you look like you're desperate or like you don't know what you're doing to start building your credit. Lenders, they want to see that you know how to manage your credit, not just that you want credit, all right? This is one of the reasons why we created a free credit guide called What's Really Holding Your Credit Score Back. This is not just any free guide. It's going to help you understand what may be hurting your credit profile right now before you start making any moves. And honestly, because sometimes the problem is not that you need more accounts. Sometimes the problem is that your credit profile is sending the wrong message to lenders. Scan the QR code right here on your screen or click the link in the description below to learn more or download now. Step number two, you want to start with accounts that are built for approval. So check this out. When nobody will approve you, banks, financial institutions, credit unions, you need to stop chasing premium approvals. And then you want to start with accounts that are specifically designed for people who are rebuilding their credit. For example, secured credit cards might be easier to get approved for because you put down a deposit. Then you also have credit builder accounts. They can help you create payment history, but only when you use them correctly. Now, don't forget, you do have authorized user accounts, and they can help in some cases, but you got to keep in mind, this is only if the account has the right history and low utilization. Let me give you an example. Let's say, for example, that someone has a 520 credit score, but they keep applying for unsecured credit cards, even if you're getting offers for them in the mail. So they're applying for Chase, Capital One, Discover, and a scorecard. Listen, they get denied every single time, and now you have more increase. A better move is going to be starting with one secured credit card, but not just getting the card. You want to keep the balance low. You want to make sure that you have positive history for at least 3 months, and then you'll start to see your score going the right direction. Now, step number three, you want to start focusing on your payment history. If you are trying to build your credit, your first goal is not to get a high limit credit card. The first goal is to prove that you can actually start managing your credit correctly. You want to pay every single account on time because payment history is one of the biggest factors in your credit score. You want to keep credit card balances low. And the reason why is because utilization, it can make you look risky. We're talking high utilization. So anything that's over 30% or 50%. And also don't max out the new credit card just because you finally got approved. Now, this is where having help is going to matter. If you need a clear plan, schedule a free credit qualification call. My team can look at where you are right now, ask you what your goals are, and see if becoming an 850 Club member is going to make sense to you. And here's why. As an 850 Club member, you can get disputes handled for you, a custom monthly credit game plan, community access, and accountability so you can start hitting your goals. Because the issue is usually not just getting approved, the issue is knowing what to apply for, when to apply for something, what to fix first, and how to avoid making the same mistakes again. Scan the QR code right here on your screen or click the link in the description to schedule your free credit qualification call today. Step number four, you want to build before you borrow. Now, this is one of the biggest mistakes that people make when they're trying to borrow money because their credit profile they think is ready. But the thing is that if your credit profile is weak, approvals may come with higher interest rates and bad terms. So don't just apply for something just because they said that you are going to be approved. Building credit first can help you qualify for better options later. The goal is to not just get approved. The goal is to get approved the right way, or some would say short-term pain for long-term gain. So right now it may hurt a little bit. So let me give you an example. Let's say, for example, that somebody wants to buy a car, but no one will approve them right now. Now, obviously, they're going to get tempted to just get any loan just because somebody will say yes, or they heard something on the radio, whatever. This decision can lead to a higher payment, a higher interest rate, and a loan that keeps them financially stuck. A smarter move is going to be this: building credit for just a few months. Like, sometimes people get impatient. Fixing negative items along the way, lowering your utilization if you have to, and applying when your credit profile is stronger. All right. So now, if nobody will approve you, that does not mean that you're stuck forever. It means that your credit profile needs a better plan. So stop applying just to see what's going to happen. You need to do this. Start with accounts that match where you are right now, where your credit profile is in this moment, and then of course you want to start building positive payment history before you start chasing bigger approvals. Download my free guide, What's Really Holding Your Credit Score Back, by scanning the QR code like I mentioned, or clicking the link in the description below. And if you want help creating a plan based on your situation, schedule a free credit qualification call today. I'll see you on the next video.